What happens if you hold a sneeze? A sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour. Your body built it that way. It's not optional. It's an eviction notice. You hold it in. The pressure has nowhere to go, so it goes everywhere else. Your sinuses compress instantly. Instead of out, it goes in, deeper, harder, longer. Your eardrums take the hit. That ringing you feel, that's your eardrum flexing against pressure it wasn't designed for. Your eyes, the pressure spikes in the blood vessels behind them. One bad hole, one burst vessel. Suddenly your eye is red for a week and a half. Your throat. In 2018, a man held in a sneeze. His throat tore open from the inside. Surgeons found air bubbles trapped in the muscles of his neck. Your ribs. The force of a suppressed sneeze can fracture a rib. This has happened multiple times. We were just trying to be polite. Let it out. Cover your mouth. Save your skeleton.